Hi, this video will highlight the scheduling functionality in JasperReports Server. We will explore the basics of JasperReports Server Scheduler, show how to create a schedule and where to manage them. Let us access the list of reports on the server and select one to schedule. For this instance, let's use the interactive sales report as an example. Right-click on the interactive sales report and select Schedule. Alternatively, you can also schedule a report by clicking on the Schedule Report button in the report viewer. The schedule page shows the list of scheduled jobs for this report. There is no schedule created for this report. We can create a new report schedule here. Click Create Schedule. There are 4 tabs on the page. Currently, on the Schedule tab, we can find the Parameters, Output Options, and Notifications tabs at the top. Let's go through them one by one. On the Schedule tab, we can choose to run the job immediately or set a specific date and time. A user can also configure a recurring schedule. The Simple option offers quick setup for recurring schedules, while the Calendar option provides more detailed customization options. For this report, let's select the Simple option and set the interval to every week. The Parameters tab allows us to configure report options. This section is only available for reports that require specific values to be set. Therefore, not all reports will display this tab. In this report, we have several selectors. Let us focus on breakfast foods within the product department, allowing the product category to update automatically. For product name, let's select all. Let's deselect Canada and keep both male and female selected. The Output Options tab is divided into 2 sections. The first section, Output File Options, allows for setting file options like name, description, format, and whether to override existing files or add timestamps. The second section, Output Destination, provides choices for the file's destination, the local repository, the local file system, an FTP server, or a combination of these. For now, let us use the default options. The Notifications tab allows us to select recipients for job run notifications and status updates. For now, let us keep them blank. Save the schedule. After scheduling a report, it appears in the report's Schedule job list. All server schedules can be viewed by navigating to View, Schedules, where the scheduled job shall be listed. This list provides details such as the distributed resource, URL, job name, ID number, owner, current state, last runtime, and next runtime. We can enable or disable the report using the toggle switch. We can also edit or delete the job. Clicking the Edit icon brings us back to the schedule configuration screen. Clicking on the Delete icon deletes the schedule. When the scheduled job runs, it generates the report. The output file is saved to the location and in the format we chose in the Output Options tab. The schedule will be deleted once all of its scheduled recurrences are complete. To summarize, we explored the scheduler job interface and successfully set up a basic weekly report schedule. We then reviewed methods for tracking and managing scheduled jobs on the server. We saw just one application of the scheduler. After scheduling the report, you may want to set alerts. You can find the links to the tutorial on alerting, Dr. Jaspersoft sessions as well as our product documentation in the video description. Thank you for using Jaspersoft.